Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. Summer is here, which means it's vacation time. It's probably one of the most busiest travel seasons, and airports all across are bustling with passengers. It actually gets chaotic starting all the way from check in until you finish security and get on the other side. But all of this becomes a nightmare if you're traveling with a child. In today's video, I thought I'll share with you some tips on how to get through security faster. These are the ones that I have learned while I have been traveling with my 2.5-year-old, but it applies to all those passengers who are traveling without a child as well. It requires some planning and preparedness, but life definitely gets easier. So to see what my travel tips are to get through security faster, jump on it and let's get rolling. My first tip for you is to book your flights if you can on Tuesdays. Wednesdays are a great midweek day as well, but my personal favorite day is for sure the Tuesdays. I have flown on this day particularly over the last 6 years with my child, and I found that the prices are comparatively cheaper, which is the first big win-win. Secondly, since it's an odd day of the week to travel, airports are less crowded. There are a lot of factors that play into this. It depends on the destination you're flying out of and the destination you're flying into, the frequency of the flights between these two destinations, and also probably if the Tuesday falls during a major public holiday. Even with all these factors, if you have flexible flying dates, I suggest the next time you head out, fly out on a Tuesday so that you beat the crowd and get through security really fast. Every year during holidays, things get chaotic. So, I personally love to choose flights that are during non-peak hours. I'm an early morning riser, my kid is an early riser as well, so we prefer taking early morning flights. One of the biggest reasons for this is the fact that we could get to the airport without hitting the rush hour traffic, which means we are not adding to our travel time. Also, we do not have to face the ripple effect of delays that usually occurs with flights as the day progresses. I also try to avoid Friday evenings, Sunday evenings, and Monday mornings, which is your peak travel period. So, the next time you're traveling out with a child, I suggest choose your flight time wisely because lesser the crowd, faster the security. Not sure why, but I've seen parents carrying excessive luggage, especially when they're traveling with a child. They have a handbag, they have a cabin bag, they have a stroller, they have a diaper bag, like it just never ends. I probably will lose it if I ever try to do that. So, my tip for you is to travel really light. Just a backpack like this that acts as a diaper bag as well as a handbag should suffice. Of course, a cabin bag if you're traveling really long distances. Otherwise, I suggest you check in completely so that your hands are free. I will link a video on how I pack so you exactly know how I do it. The more bags you have, the more chaotic it gets through security and the more time it takes when you're traveling with a child. Dress comfortably. Remember, we are not walking a ramp here, so comfort comes first. Athleisure is my style. I try not to wear belt and accessories because I for sure know I will have to remove it later at the security, which in turn adds to the time, especially when you're with a child. I say dress up to dress down. I like to add layers like jackets so that I can remove them easily. And I also like to wear a slip-on shoes that's easy to remove as well as wear. And you don't want all of this to become a hassle when you're traveling with a child. So the next time, dress for travel. Add layers, forget your accessories, just wear a slip-on shoes, and all of this definitely will help you speed up through security faster. Traveled many a times, and every time I do, I still see people waiting in the check-in line at the airport. Honestly, you don't have to. All you need to do is check in online at the comfort of your home so that on the day off you can just head to where you have to drop off your baggage, and this takes just about 2 minutes of your time. All of this immensely reduces your wait time in the lines, and this helps you and your child get through security faster. If you all know me, you know organizing is my pet peeve. Having all your documents handy in a neck wallet or in a waist pouch helps make access really easy and keeps your hands free to attend to your child. If you're traveling with a baby, make sure all your food is sealed and easily accessible as well in one single place. This will help the officer look through it really fast if you get pulled out for additional screening. So, having your baby essentials and documents organized will definitely help you speed through security. For some, it may be the first flight, but some are seasoned travelers. So I say read the crowd and get behind the pros. I mean, these kind of business travelers who have done it a million times, they really help the line move faster at security. Also, if the security agent is not asking you to get into a specific line, a little thing that I read about and I found it to work is to choose a line that is opposite to your dominant hand. In my case, my right hand is dominant, so I choose to go left when I head to the security line, which means the line is less crowded and I get through security faster. So the next time I say read the crowd and head to your left side to make security a breeze. Once you reach the final checkpoint, it's all about keeping things in bins and waiting for your turn to get on the other side of security. You will definitely glide through this faster with lesser luggage and preparedness. These were all of my tips to help you glide through security faster. I hope you found this video useful for your next travel. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any tips that I can learn from. Thank you all so much for stopping by. As usual, like the video if you enjoyed watching it, and if you're new here, please do not forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.